Normal consistency of cement is defined as the percentage of water by weight of cement which produces a consistency which permits a plunger of 10 millimeter diameter to penetrate up to a depth of 5 to 7 millimeters above the bottom of Weichert mold. Weichert's apparatus, fitted with 10 millimeter diameter plunger, is used to perform normal consistency test. This test involves a number of steps. Take 400 grams of cement and place it in an enamel tray. Adjust the indicator of the Weichert's mold to show the zero reading when it touches the surface of the non-porous plate below. Measure 25% of clean water by weight of cement. Start the stopwatch the moment water is added. Thoroughly mix it with 400 grams of cement sample. Fill the Weichert's mold placed on non-porous glass plate with prepared paste. Shake the mold to expel out any entrapped air and level its surface with the help of a trowel. Place the prepared mold under the plunger. Unscrew the clamp to bring the plunger just in contact with the surface of the paste and quickly release to allow it to sink. Note down its penetration reading from the bottom. In case a reading from the bottom is more than 5 to 7 millimeters, increase the water content. If a reading is less, reduce the water content. The operations of mixing, filling, leveling, and testing of the sample should be repeated till 5 to 7 millimeter penetration is obtained. The entire operation of mixing, filling of the mold, including testing, should be completed within 3 to 5 minutes of adding water to the sample. Normal consistency of cement is equal to weight of water divided by weight of cement multiplied by 100. Express this amount of water, which is 26% in this case, by weight of dry cement. Normal consistency is equal to 104 divided by 400 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 26%. No standard values for normal consistency are specified. Therefore, it is necessary to determine the consistency of cement because other tests are dependent on this normal consistency.